In this video, I'm going to discuss how we used Wilsonart laminate and quartz to finish a bar for Tony Roma's. Coming up.
Bar Designers, International Bar Design.
Hi, I'm Rick from Bar Designers, where I share my passion about bar design, draft beer system design, and product reviews. If you're new here, please subscribe and check out the show notes and affiliate links in the YouTube description below. Later in this video, I'll give you today's takeaway. Now let's jump into the show. When we were contracted to design this bar for Tony Roma's, we'd been asked to replicate the look of this bar, which had been designed for their flagship store in Orlando earlier. This was a new design that Tony Roma's had adopted. Working only from a photograph, I was in disbelief when I was told that the inlaid panels had been fabricated from a laminate. At first glance, I thought it was marble. In reality, the laminate and the countertops were creations of Wilsonart. I should have figured. Yep, the same Wilsonart samples you'll see in the kitchen departments at your local Home Depot, Lowe's, and other big box stores. I'm here to tell you these Wilsonart products are perfectly legitimate for any bar design. The trick, of course, is in the details. A common method for laminating is to use particle board as a substrate. However, the use of MDF board as a substrate for laminates is a more durable and far superior solution nowadays. For this application, a product was selected from the Solid Core series of the Wilsonart lineup. Wilsonart offers numerous choices of terrific high-pressure laminates. The product we used specifically for this application is the Wilsonart Calcutta Marble, part number 4925-38, that has the fine velvet finish. Some do-it-yourselfers can choose to do their own laminating, but for those that want a ready-made solution, just go to a local cabinet shop or even go to Home Depot or Lowe's, and I'm sure you can order these panels to your specifications, and they'll probably cost you about $25 a square foot. Now here's a typical bar section, and the laminated panel I'm showing here as items 19 and 20, which is mounted to a sheet of 3/8 LP SmartSide, shown here as item 18. That runs the upper portion of the bar die. Now if you look closely, here's the siding product I just mentioned behind all this trim. This is a cedar textured panel shown here by LP SmartSide, a residential siding product which is available at all big box stores. But I digress. As I mentioned, the Wilsonart lineup also includes quartz. We used quartz countertops through this project throughout, on the front bar, back bar, and the supports for the ADA accommodation. The pattern we used for this project was Gray Lake Q1009, shown here. In terms of cost, 3cm quartz begins at about $100 a square foot. This project is $130 a square foot, as shown with a 3-inch dropped edge. Now I don't want to leave you without discussing all of this trim. The lateral trim elements, here and here, down here and down here, those are called rails. And the elements that go vertically, here, 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 and so on, are called stiles. This is another product by LP SmartSide. It's their SmartSide trim. Now we used the 440 series and the 540 series. 540 series is 5/4 board, 440 series is 4/4 board. As we go back to the section view, I'll zoom in here, and you'll notice that the narrower components shown here, item 15 for instance, and at the bottom, those are the 4/4 boards. And the two boards in the middle, here and here, these are the 5/4 boards. To give you a little deeper reveal. Going back to our photo, you'll notice the top board is narrower than the intermediate board below it. This adds a little character to the design. Question of the day. What did you like best about this video, and what would you like me to discuss in future videos? Please comment in the YouTube description below this video so that other members in this community can benefit in future videos. Thank you. Thanks so much for checking out this video. Please be sure to subscribe to Bar Designers so you can be notified automatically every time a new video is posted. And check out the show notes in the YouTube description for links and any other items I may have forgotten to mention. And please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Wilsonart is global. The customer service group will be happy to refer you to a distributor or fabricator in your area. See you next time.
Bar Designers, International Bar Design.